For comfortable relief of internal hemorrhoids, try Preparation H Suppositories. Before starting, empty your bowels and bladder if possible. Thoroughly clean the anal area. We suggest using Preparation H medicated wipes to cool, soothe, and cleanse for better relief. Step 1. Wash your hands with mild soap and warm water, then dry. Step 2. Remove a suppository from the strip. It can melt from the warmth of your hands if held too long. If this happens, simply put it in the refrigerator for a few minutes. Step 3. Hold it between two fingers with the rounded end up and open by slowly and evenly peeling down the foil tabs. Step 4. Lie on your side in a comfortable spot with your bottom leg straightened out and your top leg bent toward your stomach. Lift your top butt cheek. Step 5. With the pointed end up, insert with your finger either from the front or behind until it passes the sphincter muscle. The sphincter muscle is about 1 inch in. Don't insert your finger further than the sphincter muscle. To find it, imagine the muscle you tighten to hold in a bowel movement. Step 6. Hold your buttocks together for 5 seconds. For best results, remain still for 5 minutes. The suppository will melt quickly and you should feel little to no discomfort. Step 7. Wash your hands with mild soap and warm water. We suggest you wait at least 1 hour before using the bathroom. You can use up to 4 times a day, including nighttime, in the morning or after each bowel movement. Get comfortable with Preparation H.